Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. White limestone can create a stunning backdrop for a bedroom, offering a sense of serenity and timeless elegance. Here's how you can envision and design a white limestone house bedroom: walls and floors. Limestone walls, the star of the show. Opt for a smooth or textured finish depending on your desired style. Smooth creates a sleek, modern look, while textured offers a more rustic feel. Flooring, light-colored hardwood floors or large, pale tiles in neutral tones complement the limestone walls beautifully. This creates a seamless flow throughout the room and enhances the feeling of openness. Consider adding a plush area rug for warmth and comfort, furniture and accents. Natural materials, balance the cool tones of the limestone with warm, inviting textures. Choose furniture in light to medium wood tones with clean lines for a modern look. Woven baskets, sisal rugs, and linen bedding add a touch of organic texture. Pops of color, introduce calming colors to add personality. Soft blues, greens, or grays complement the natural tones of the limestone. Consider throw pillows, artwork, or a painted accent wall. Textile layers, layer different textures to create visual interest and a cozy feel. Linen or cotton bedding, a chunky knit throw blanket, and a woven wall hanging all contribute to a relaxed and inviting atmosphere. Lighting and ambience. Natural light, maximize natural light with large windows. Opt for sheer curtains that diffuse light without blocking it completely. Warm and layered lighting, create a warm and inviting atmosphere with layered lighting. Include bedside table lamps for reading, recessed lighting for overall illumination, and dimmer switches to adjust the mood. Additional touches: fireplace, optional. A fireplace faced with white limestone creates a stunning focal point and adds a touch of cozy elegance. Greenery, introduce a touch of life with indoor plants on windowsills or nightstands. Fiddle leaf figs, ferns, or snake plants thrive in bright, indirect light and add a pop of color. Artwork, choose calming artwork that complements the color palette and overall feel of the space. Abstract art, nature-inspired pieces, or serene photography all work well. Overall feel, the white limestone bedroom design strives for a sense of peace and tranquility. It's a space that feels luxurious yet relaxed, perfect for unwinding and rejuvenating. Here are some additional elements to consider. Headboard, create a focal point with a statement headboard. A wooden headboard with clean lines complements the natural materials, while a tufted linen headboard adds a touch of softness. Balcony, optional. If your bedroom has a balcony, consider incorporating white limestone flooring or tiles for a cohesive flow. Add comfortable seating and plants to create a private outdoor haven. Ensuite bathroom, for a truly luxurious touch, consider designing an ensuite bathroom with white limestone walls and flooring. This creates a spa-like atmosphere for ultimate relaxation. By incorporating these elements, you can create a white limestone house bedroom that is both stylish and serene. A perfect sanctuary to escape to after a long day. Here are some compelling reasons to consider designing your bedroom with white limestone: tranquility and sophistication, serene escape. White limestone's cool, creamy tones evoke a sense of peace and tranquility. It creates a calming backdrop that fosters relaxation and restful sleep. Timeless elegance, limestone is a naturally elegant material that never goes out of style. The classic beauty adds a touch of luxury to your bedroom, making it feel sophisticated and inviting. Light and airy ambience, the light color of the limestone reflects light beautifully, making the bedroom feel spacious and open. This is especially beneficial for smaller bedrooms. Versatility and design flexibility. Neutral canvas, limestone provides a neutral backdrop that allows other design elements to shine. You can easily personalize the space with furniture, artwork, and textiles in various styles. Complements many styles. limestone's versatility allows it to complement a variety of design styles. It pairs beautifully with clean lines and modern furniture for a minimalist look, or with natural textures and woven elements for a more rustic feel. Cohesive flow. Using limestone on the walls can create a cohesive flow throughout the open floor plan of your house, especially if it connects the bedroom to an ensuite bathroom. Durability and easy maintenance. Long-lasting beauty. Limestone is a durable material that can withstand everyday wear and tear. With proper care, it will maintain its beauty for years to come. Easy to clean. The smooth surface of honed limestone makes it relatively easy to clean. Dust can be wiped away with a damp cloth, making it a low-maintenance choice. Develops character over time. Limestone naturally develops a beautiful patina over time, adding to its unique character and charm. This natural aging process enhances the stone's beauty, creating a timeless and sophisticated look. Additional advantages. Increased property value. A well-designed bedroom featuring white limestone can add significant value to your property, particularly for buyers seeking a high-end and elegant look. Potential for improved air quality. Limestone is a naturally occurring material that doesn't trap allergens or dust mites as much as some other materials, potentially improving indoor air quality in your bedroom. While considering other materials, keep in mind that white limestone offers a unique combination of aesthetics, functionality, and durability. It creates a bedroom that's not only beautiful and serene but also built to last. Here's a roadmap to kickstart designing your dream white limestone bedroom. 1. Define your style and budget. Modern minimalist versus rustic retreat. Decide on the overall vibe you want. Limestone can work with both. O modern minimalist. Clean lines, light wood furniture, minimal clutter. O rustic retreat. Woven textures, natural materials, a touch of cozy charm. Budgeting for tranquility. Limestone can be an investment. Factor in the cost of the stone itself, installation, furniture, bedding, and other design elements. 2. Inspiration and research. Material selection. Research different white limestone finishes. Honed finishes hide fingerprints better, while polished finishes offer a sleeker look. Consider how the finish will complement your desired style. Design inspiration. Browse online resources, magazines, and design websites for white limestone bedroom inspiration. Find examples that showcase your preferred style and how different elements are incorporated. Professional help. Optional. Consider consulting an interior designer. They can help create a cohesive design plan, source materials, and ensure optimal use of space. 3. Planning the layout. Measure and sketch. Measure your bedroom and sketch a basic layout. This helps visualize furniture placement, traffic flow, and potential challenges. Focal point. Identify a focal point, like a fireplace or a large window. Arrange furniture around it for a balanced look. Prioritize relaxation. Plan the layout to prioritize relaxation. Ensure there's enough space for comfortable movement and easy access to windows for natural light. 4. Choosing materials and finishes. Furniture. Opt for light to medium wood tones with clean lines for a modern look, or go for natural fibers and woven textures for a more rustic feel. Consider the functionality. Nightstands for storage, a comfortable bed frame, flooring, light-colored hardwood floors or large, pale tiles in neutral tones complement the limestone beautifully. Opt for slip-resistant materials for safety, especially near the bed. Textiles. Layer different textures with linen or cotton bedding, a chunky knit throw blanket, and a woven wall hanging for a cozy and inviting atmosphere. 5. Lighting design. Natural light. Maximize natural light with large windows and sheer curtains. Layered lighting. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with layered lighting. Include bedside table lamps for reading, recessed lighting for overall illumination, and dimmer switches to adjust the mood. Remember, this is a starting point. Personalize it with pops of color through artwork, throw pillows, or an accent wall. Order samples of the limestone and other materials to see how they interact in your lighting. Enjoy the process of creating a peaceful haven in your home. Bonus tip. consider adding a window seat with built-in storage beneath. It creates a cozy nook for reading and enjoying the natural light, complementing the calming feel of the white limestone. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.